Welcome to Roll for Creamy.
First, we're going to roll for base.
1. Soy milk. I've never really been a fan of soy milk. It tastes like I'm drinking edamame. I already hate where this is going. Roll for flavor. 2. Chocolate. I'm using instant chocolate pudding mix, and I find that this gives it the best texture. Roll for fruit. Lucky number 7. Pears. I don't have fresh pears, but I have pears in a can. Yum. I've never heard of chocolate-covered pears, and I don't think I want to try. Roll for wild magic. 13. Black beans. I didn't think it could get any worse, and yet it did. When I was going through my crunchy hippie phase in college, I made black bean brownies, which turned out to be okay. I don't know if you can trust me on that, because I used to think chia seeds were the best thing on earth. And here she is, black bean ice cream. Taste test. That's not bad. It tastes like brownie batter. If I blind tasted this, I don't think I would know there were beans in it. That's like a 7.9 out of 10.